Hello everyone, in this film I would like to show how to change the battery in Renault Kart in the model like Renault Megane, Renault Laguna, Renault Scenic. First, you should pull this fragment of card with classic key to door Renault, and you see the battery. You can pull this out battery from here and take new battery, get into the card, and now you have changed battery on the new, and no problem with open close the door in the Renault. First, after change battery, you can press this fragment and now it's fine. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and see you again in the next film.